Hello and welcome to Edison State Library's video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Academic Search Complete. Academic Search Complete is a multidisciplinary database that contains scholarly type resources for reference. To access that, you will start out at the Edison State main page. On the main page, you will select the resources link and the library link. The library link is located right next to the Blackboard link. Selecting the library takes you to the Edison State Library main page. On the Edison State Library main page, you can get your barcode information, which is contained here, and an example of that is here. You can email a librarian. Along the left-hand side is all of our contact information, hours of operation, and the library staff. But to access the databases, you have to go to the Edison State Library database. And this is the main database page. Again, this provides your library barcode information. That is the number 1973 plus your student ID number, including any zeros, and you will need that for accessing the off-campus links. Okay, on the database page are videos here that show you how to access the databases and getting them off campus and on campus, which is basically what I'm going over now. So if you forget what I'm going over, you're welcome to click these links on the main database page. There's other video tutorials here that you can click. But here is our list of most popular databases, and these are for the use on campus. You click these links for the on-campus links, and these are for use off-campus. So you're off-campus, you click these links. Same databases, Academic Search, Business Source. These in the middle are they don't require login information, so you can select any of those from anywhere, and you'll be able to access those. Okay, so we're going with the Academic Search, and I'm going to select the for use off-campus Academic Search link, selecting that, and I will have to provide some login information. In this case, it's asking for the last name followed by the first name, and then it's asking for the library barcode number, which is again the number 1973, plus your student ID number, including any zeros. This is the Academic Search Complete main search page. Right here it specifies what database we're searching in. So what you'll do is enter any search terms, the topics you're looking for in here, and go ahead and do your search. Geography is the search term I'm going to use. As you see, it provides different terms that you can use to narrow the search. So if you want to do geography and education or teaching or textbook tourism, I'm currently just going to do just a general search using the term geography, and I will narrow down as I go through the results. And as you see, I've got 221,000 total results just using the search term of geography. Ways to narrow the search is to select academic journals and peer-reviewed. The full text is already selected. That would be your first option if it wasn't selected. In this case it is, so we're going to just select the academic journals, and it narrowed it some, but still quite a few results. Most of the time you're going to want to use more recent publications. So another way to do that is to change the date of which you have specified the articles coming from. We'll go up to 2000 even, if I can get it to stay there, 2001, and we still have quite a few results, but it did narrow it down some. As you see, it's going through the dates I specified. It's looking for the full text only, and it's using academic journals and peer-reviewed. Okay, now we're going to just select an article, and I'm going to show you what happens when you get into the article. Selecting it, sometimes you can scroll down and it will have your full text of the article below it, which in this case it does. If it did not and it only provided the summary of the information, you can select the HTML full text over here or the PDF full text over here, and that will give you full text. But like I said, in this case, it provided the full text below. Options include selecting the hyperlink table of contents. You can listen to it if you wanted to listen to it instead of reading it. You can save it to your Google Drive over here on the right, the OneDrive. You can add it to a folder, print, email, save, and we can cite this article. Selecting cite provides the citations in different formats, so you'll have to go through and pick whatever format you need. So if you needed the MLA format, you would copy the text associated with it, copy it, and paste it where you needed to paste it in your document for your works cited page. Okay, so we'll click out of that. Other options, you can do the permalink over here also. Another thing I wanted to show you in here is the subject terms. So what we can do if geography is too general of a term, you might be able to pull some of the terms in here to narrow down the search from what you have. So to go from 186,000, we're going to add in legal into geography and just see what happens to the results. First, we're going to go back to where we were. And in here, I'm going to put and legal. Okay. Definitely reduce the amount of results, and these results are now going to have the words geography and legal included in there. And you can tell that by your subject terms associated here. Okay, now going through these, we have a full text finder, and then we have full text. So if you need something right away, I would go with one of the full texts that is available instead of the finder, only because it takes a little longer to get these. If you do want us to get this specific article for you, you select the full text and follow the prompts, and it will send us an email, let us know that you're looking for it, and we'll obtain it and send you an email and let you know when it's available. And it's that process. It takes a little longer, which means if by selecting the ones that already have the information, the full text available, you'll have access to that immediately. All right, if you decided that you do not like your search terms at all, the geography and legal, and you want to start all over, all you need to do is select the EBSCOhost, and again, it brings us back to the main search screen for the academic search complete, and you can put your terms in here. Thank you very much for watching the video. Feel free to reach out to us at the library if you have any questions or if you need additional information.